In just a few minutes, we'll show you how you can use Channable to list your products on popular channels like Google Shopping, Amazon, or Bol. Are you ready? Let's dive in. In Channable, everything starts with projects. A project is the home of all of your web shop information, including your product data and how it is shared with different channels. To create a project, log into Channable, head to the project section, and add a new project. Give it a name, hit save, and voila! You've taken the first step. Once you've created a project, you can use our onboarding hub to guide you step by step through the rest of the process. Next, it's time to add your product data. Add an import to upload data from your e-commerce platform like Shopify or Magento, or directly from a data source like XML or Google Sheets. After importing, review your data in the items section to ensure everything looks correct. If there are any problems with your imported product data, you can fix it here. Need to combine or enrich your data? No problem. You can manage that here too. Now that your data is ready, it's time to share it with the world. Set up your first channel, choosing from options including Google Shopping, Amazon, or Bol. Categorize the products that you want to display and create some rules to help display them properly. If you set up a feed, map your fields to your chosen channel's fields in the Finalize step. If you set up an API, make sure to do the same, but in the Build step. Next, preview your items to make sure everything's been set up correctly. Happy with how everything looks? It's time to activate your channel. With a few final clicks, your products will begin to appear on your chosen channel. Now your setup's complete. Track your performance with Channable's Insights and Analytics. Use the data to fine-tune your strategy and drive sales like never before. And that's it. Your products are live and ready to shine. Remember, our Help Center and support team are here for you every step of the way,